In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently utilize editor wix.com, specifically focusing on deleting gaps in your design for a cleaner and more professional website appearance. Working with an intuitive platform like Wix can be incredibly empowering, allowing you to bring your creative vision to life with just a few simple steps. Let's dive in and streamline your web pages. First things first, you're going to want to identify any unwanted gaps within your site design. These gaps may appear between different sections or elements, disrupting the flow of your content and potentially detracting from the overall aesthetic of your page. The good news is removing them is a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. Start by clicking on the specific gap you'd like to remove. Simply take your mouse and hover over the area until you see the gap highlighted. Once you have located the right spot, right-click it. This action will open up a context menu where you'll find various options related to the selected area. Next, in the menu that pops up, you'll want to find and click on the delete option. It's as simple as that. By choosing delete, you're telling Wix to remove the gap, allowing adjacent elements on your page to shift closer together. This can be particularly useful for tidying up sections that feel disjointed or to better align your content. And that's it. You're done. With just a couple of clicks, you've transformed the layout and enhanced the overall presentation of your site. As you go through this process, you might find it helpful to zoom out occasionally and take a holistic view of your page. This perspective can help you ensure that the removal of these gaps aligns with your overall design vision. In some cases, you might choose not to remove every gap, as some spacing can indeed serve to enhance readability and visual appeal by offering breathing room for your content. Remember, a well-organized website not only looks good, but also provides a better user experience. As you continue to refine your site, keep an eye on these elements to maintain a cohesive and effective design. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to effectively manage and delete unwanted gaps using the Wix editor. It's just one of the many ways you can utilize this powerful tool to ensure your website looks polished and functions seamlessly. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Wix